Let's learn our letters in a fun new way. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Sing along to the ABC beat.
Clap.
A is for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bunny, hop, hop, hop. C is for car, zoom, zoom, zoom. Maverick. D is for drum, boom, boom, boom. A, B, C, come dance with me. D, E, F, step to the beat. G, H, I, jump way up high. J, K, L, we're learning so well. Jump. E is for elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. F is for frog, jump, jump, jump. G is for guitar, strum, strum, strum. H is for hippo, run, run, run. A, B, C, come dance with me. D, E, F, step to the beat. G, H, I, jump way up high. J, K, L, we're learning so well.
I is for iguana, crawling slow. J is for jellyfish, wiggle and go. K is for kangaroo, bounce so high. L is for ladybug, flying north. No, keep on moving, don't you stop. Sing it loud, from bottom to top.
M is for monkey, shake, shake, shake. N is for noodle, twist like a snake. O is for octopus, wavy and wild. P is for panda, dancing in style. Q is for quack, a little duck sound. R is for robot, spinning around. S is for star, shining so bright. T is for tiger, roaring with might. U is for umbrella, up in the rain. V is for volcano, boom again. W is for whale, swimming so free. X is for x-ray, what can you see? Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Z is for zebra, dancing all around.